Hey everyone, Travis here with Coyote Moon, Squarespace web design studio based in Oregon. I want to chat with you and walk you through a tutorial today about Noun Project. Noun Project is a really cool website and it allows you to add graphics and photos downloaded directly to your local device. The cool thing about Noun Project is that you can also manipulate the color. So if you find a cool graphic you like, for example, this bowl of ramen, you could change that color to match the brand color palette of your website. So I'm going to show you how. The other thing that I wanted to mention before we jump into the tutorial is that Noun Project has literally been a lifesaver for me. I've used it on nearly every single website client project. Adding little graphics is just such an awesome way to add that little spark, that little extra bit of design flair to your websites. And as I mentioned, you can manipulate the colors and even remove the background color to make a transparent logo and add it to your website. I think I paid $39.99 on the year, and I feel like I've already got my money's worth probably within the first couple projects. It's an unlimited access to their library for the full year. So get yourself a Noun Project subscription. I'll leave a link in my description of this video in case any of you guys want to go ahead and purchase that. So today we're going to first talk about using the Noun Project system and how to find a graphic element and then manipulate the color and or change the background transparency. So for instance, if we want to type in golf, let's see what comes up. And the reason I'm doing the golf analogy here is because I'm working on an indoor golf center and I wanted to showcase that on the website as well. So let's go ahead and pop this guy in here. So it's probably a little bit hard to see, but the color of this golfer is actually white. But the first thing that we notice is that the icon itself is sitting on a transparent background, which is great. I recommend that for almost all use cases. Adding a PNG transparent graphic to a website is going to allow it to really pop on any given page. So just like anything, contrast is huge. You're really going to want to recognize, for example, a white graphic is going to go really well against a dark green background, so on and so forth. So the first thing that we're going to showcase is how to change the color. So you can change the icon color here, and as you can see, it updates accordingly. All you have to do from here, if the next step is to keep the background image, you can set the image at whatever color you want. You also have the ability to add in a hex code, a red, green, blue code, so on and so forth. So I am going to retain the white color because it matches well with my website and the transparent background. And the next thing you do, honestly, it's a couple buttons and you click it and all of a sudden you have a PNG downloaded to your local device. All right, stay tuned for the next step in this video, which is going to be showcasing that on a Squarespace website. And I really want you guys to see this section of a page I'm working on in action. So stay tuned. All right, everyone, we have now transitioned to the back end of a Squarespace website I am working on for a client. They are a brand new indoor golf center based in Roseburg, Oregon. And I'm super excited because they have this cute cattle dog. So the name of the business is Cattle Dogs Golf Center. It's based in Roseburg, Oregon. And I'm building out the homepage here. And this is a section to highlight to our new site visitors on how our system works. So what have we done? We have used graphics and text to showcase that. So really we're kind of taking them through a journey of arriving at the location all the way through to booking a tee time in a bay and officially playing golf. So as you can see, as I'm circling here, the icons, which were pulled directly from the Noun Project, we have added a member icon, a reservation icon, an entering the facility icon, and finally a playing golf icon. So to do this and to really add value to any given Squarespace web page, you can hover over these sections, click edit, and you'll see when we click edit over this icon that it's actually just an image block. So to add icons to your Squarespace website, add an image block, go ahead and upload your file, the last file that we downloaded, which was the golfer directly from Noun project. And in a total of, honestly, you guys, about 2 minutes, we've already added so much value to this website. Okay, well, I'm looking forward to see your guys' thoughts about these graphics and icons. If you guys have any questions about the Noun project, or if you need to look into purchasing your own subscription, I will leave a link in the description. And please let me know your thoughts. Again, Travis from Coyote Moon, a full-service Squarespace web design studio based here in Oregon.